Christmas leaves were falling. Is our road perchance the same? Might we travel on together? Oh, I keep the mountainside, she replied. Among the heather, your mountain air is sweet. When the days are long and sunny, when the grass grows around the rocks, and the wind bloom smells like honey. But the winter's coming fast, with its foggy, snowy weather, and you'll find it bleak and chill on your hill among the heather. Her mountain home, and I'll praise it too with reason. For where Molly is, there's sunshine and flowers at every season. Be the moorland black or white, does it signify a feather? Now I know the way by heart, every part. Among the heather, the sun goes down in haste, and the night falls thick and stormy. Yet I travel 20 miles for the welcome that's before me, singing high for rescue done. In the teeth of wind and weather, love will warm me as I go through the snow among the heather. The sun goes down in haste, and the night falls thick and stormy. Yet I travel 20 miles for the welcome that's before me, singing high for rescue done. In the teeth of wind and weather, love will warm me as I go through the snow